Hey there, today I'm working with removing some regular U-shaped signposts, and here I have a JackJaw device. First time using it today, and let me tell you, it took me forever to try and figure out how to position it right. I don't know if this is even the right way how to do it, but I wanted to show anyone else that might be using theirs for the first time and they can't find anything, or have someone that doesn't know, because that's me. No one else knows who I'm working for, so they're like, here you go, and have to figure it out on my own. So anyways, at the bottom here you got the two little teeth. Hopefully, I think this is a 300 version of the JackJaw, not sure, but so anyways, you're gonna want to raise your handle all the way up so that the teeth retract. So your teeth are all the way up there. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so give me a moment. So what I like to do is, like, from the front of it, kind of position it along the side. I couldn't figure out a better way to position it, so I like to position it right up here along the side. And then at the top here, I like to have the left part on the exterior so it kind of holds it more steady. So anyways, with that, I put my foot down here at the bottom just to keep it held straight. And then you simply should be able to just push down, sorry about the camera, just push down on the handle. And it should slowly at least start pulling it up. So I do this about 10-15 times, and you should have it most of the way up. Alright, and if you need any extra support, you can add another 2x4 here to get it a little bit higher. And you just want to be careful right down here to not block this with your foot, because this shaft goes all the way down when you have the handle up, and then when you apply pressure, it simply slides along here to pull the post out. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.